Friday. Welcome. Yeah, on the way to Home Depot to pick up some supplies. Check this out. America. Man, making these videos is super hard. So it's the next day, it's Saturday. I just looked at the footage from yesterday and noticed that I was basically all over the place. In the middle of the day, as I was working, I went into my garage to get something and I found a snake in there about, I don't know, maybe, yeah, about this long. We spent an hour or so, over an hour, trying to get this thing out of the garage. That basically got me behind schedule, totally interrupted my workflow. We finally got it out, but yeah, I forgot to film a lot of that stuff and then got in a hurry. But basically what you see here is I had to do some shipping. Yesterday was a ship day. We did about 22 boxes or so that we shipped out. So here you see me boxing them up. And that concludes our today's shipping. There we go. Did all that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, about 22 boxes going out today. And then after that, I focused on the beer garden, got the lumber early in the morning, and we installed the fence. Did some fencing on the side, and then that basically concludes the day. After that, we just hung out and relaxed a little bit. It's super hot here. It was about 97 degrees. I don't know what that is in Celsius. Maybe 38, maybe 40 degrees, something like that. Super hot. But yeah, anyway, I'm trying to piece this vlog together as good as I can, so hopefully it won't be too bad, so bear with me. Maybe as I release a couple more of these videos it will get better, but yeah, this stuff is kind of hard. I did not expect it to be that difficult. It's much gosh, I lost my train of thought. It's much easier to make a sign. Oh yeah, and I forgot, if you like this kind of content and you'd like to see more, leave a comment below, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. We just hit 150, not 150,000, just 150 subscribers. If you like to take a look at what I'm doing behind the scenes of my little woodworking company, then I will make more videos like that and hopefully a little bit better pieced together. So hopefully if all the snakes keep out of my garage, then I can focus on making better videos. Okay, take care.